People, me, I go come early for the Christmas. Wait, what I meant to say was, Christmas come early for me this year and for enough other man too. Why? Because we get to see a vagina, and not just any vagina, an angel's vagina, the angel's vagina. Thank you, Jesus. You probably wonder why I'm happy to see the angel's vagina. Two reasons. Reason number one, a celebrity chocho. Reason number two, a celebrity chocho. You know how rare it is to actually see a female celebrity's vagina? Huh? They're like unicorns. You can only imagine how them look, but to actually see one. And another thing too, two of the dancehall most biggest artists, they didn't fight over this. So you must have to want to see what all of the tension did bout, isn't it? Now if you talk about angel vagina, or the little piece I get to see. So angel, what you try to tell me say? I saw here something fat that you can't hold in a one panty. You don't look too bad still, you know. Yeah man, the angel runway clear for landing for the Christmas. The strip clean. Yeah man, the angel shave up, you see me? So she get the turn up stamp from me right there so. They hear them for angel coochie no look too sharp. You see me? They no look too Barbie. You get me? Just Barbie. No razor bump angel. When you say near to your thing. People angel got the monk shape. When I say clean, I mean clean. It shaves so clean, see? That me see a reflection of the camera flash. A shine off a angel coochie. As a photographer, what you do when you go home and I look through your picture of them and you see a celebrity, female, coochie. Just a peep out by you. You know what I mean? I do. All night long. Angel, this one is going to get you kicked out of heaven for sure. Santa, I know who has been bad this year. The angel. Angel, something I play peekaboo with the camera. Peekaboo, peekaboo. It's like angel something to the camera and peep out and say, answer. Answer. But how we manage for people that angel no feel? You know, say when you're not wear your underwear in the right size, you're good people, not true? You know what? Angel wear your size. Angel about 30 something, not true? So at the age where you start wear the knee length panty, them no another age. Them there when they start wear adult bloomers and they reach 30, you know. A panty they look college girl. Who will we know say angel pass college girl age long time? There's a black panty too, you know. But I say angel you have to make it look slim. I mean, you say black make things look slim, you know, make it look little up. Women, let this be a lesson unto summer uno. Well, of walk around like uno act. And when uno panty leave, uno no want fix it. I walk around with uno panty, stay like the Gideons over Port Royal. Fix uno lean panty. Angel panty look like he did a do panty river, panty bank, and the river come down, and the panty stop on one side. People, the panty couldn't cross it. Nobody can cross it. Not even angel panty can cross it. Only Quiffy tongue. Angel, it look like you didn't listen to some 50 Cent before you step out on the stage. Shawty, you ain't got it, check your panties off. Just pull him to the side. Seems like 50 Cent need to come up with a next song where say you need to pull back your panty. But Angel have to feel no way about this, you know, because she can turn this into something good. What I would encourage Angel to do is, you know, since she's a fashion woman, come up with a new line of panties. Answer panty line. Answer! And come out with some new style of panties like all the one the way you have on right. And name them half in, half out panties, lean drawers, peekaboo panties, hide and seek panties, endorsed by the angel. Answer panty line. See them next year on Caribbean Fashion Week. It's not really look like a publicity stunt to me, you see me? But I mean, who knows? With these celebrities nowadays, you don't know what the hell they are capable of. I guess the photographer was just in the right place at the right time. I managed to get a beanie glimpse of Angel's bounty. Yeah, well, we just the right, that's all. Beanie bounty. Angel, big up yourself, you see me? Because now me can cross your vag off of a celebrity female tun when me need to see before me leave this earth. List. They need two girls them off of intense Samantha J. No, cross her up, she a 16, but I don't want to go on a Ross prison. Tifa, ladies, see it, yeah? The angel. And if any of the other female celebrities out there would like to help me, you know, please send all pictures to Kevin's celebrity female tuntun bucket list at gmail.com and just put your name in the subject. I promise I will not share your photos with anybody else, and all photos will be used for a worthy cause. You can't show no the photo because YouTube might flag the video. See, and I know them love flag people think so. They must work all part. But it dep on Facebook. You can search for the photo on Facebook though. It there everywhere. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes to all the people who support me and watch my video. Enjoy the festive season. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.